How to set email sync schedule to auto when received or manually on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the email app. Then in your inbox view, tap on the menu key at the top left. Next, tap on the settings icon. Now in your email settings, tap on your email account. Then we go down to the sync settings section and tap on email sync schedule. In here, tap on set sync schedule, and you can set it to auto, so whenever you receive an email, it will immediately send to your inbox. Otherwise, we can choose manual. So say it here, warning, frequent email checking can be costly, especially when using foreign network. So we can set it to manually, and otherwise you can set a schedule to sync your email or to check your email every 15 minutes, 30 minutes. This is especially useful if you are on low battery. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.